Eritrea is one of the least talked about countries in the world, but it has a history, culture, and reality that might surprise you. From ancient civilizations to modern-day mysteries, here are 10 things most people don't know about Eritrea. Number 1. Eritrea only became independent in 1993 after a long war with Ethiopia. The 30-year struggle is one of the longest independence wars in modern history. And show some of Eritrea history. Number 2. The capital city, Asmara, is famous for its Italian-style architecture. Buildings, cafes, and even cinemas still reflect its past as an Italian colony, giving it a unique European-African vibe. Number 3. In Eritrea, coffee isn't just a drink, it's a ceremony. The traditional coffee ritual can take over an hour and is a major part of social life. Number 4. Eritrea is home to 9 ethnic groups, each with its own language and traditions. Despite this diversity, the country has remained relatively unified. Number 5. Eritrea has strict financial controls, and its currency, the nakfa, isn't freely traded internationally. This makes the economy very different from most countries. Number 6. One of the most controversial aspects of Eritrea is its mandatory national service, which can last for many years. This policy has been widely debated internationally. Number 7. Eritrea has over 1,000 kilometers of coastline along the Red Sea. It includes beautiful islands and untouched beaches that few tourists have ever seen. Number 8. Off the coast lies the Dahlak Archipelago, a group of over 100 islands. They are rich in marine life and considered one of the most unexplored island chains in the world. Number 9. Eritrea is home to some of the oldest human fossils ever discovered. This region played a role in early human history. Number 10. Eritrea is often described as one of the most isolated countries globally due to limited media access and strict government policies. This adds to its mystery and global curiosity. Eritrea is a country full of history, culture, and complexity, far beyond what most people hear in the news. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more global insights.